Good morning, students. Today we will discuss conformal transformation and some general transformations. So first we define what is a conformal transformation. Let us take a transformation given by u is equal to u as a function of xy and v is equal to v as a function of xy. This transformation maps the two curves C1 and C2 intersecting at the point P of the z-plane onto the two curves C1 dash and C2 dash intersecting at the point W0 of W-plane. If the angle between the curves C1 and C2 at this point Z0 is equal to the angle between the curves C1 dash and C2 dash at the point W0, then the transformation that is called isogonal. Here we can see that the angle between C1 and C2 is theta, and also the angle between C1 dash and C2 dash, that is also theta. So the angle between C1 C2 at the point Z0 is same as the angle between the curves C1 dash and C2 dash at the point W0. So the transformation is isogonal. If the sense of rotation as well as the magnitude of angle is preserved, in that case the transformation is called conformal transformation. Here we can see that the angle between the curves C1 and C2 is same as the angle between the curves C1 dash and C2 dash, and also the sense of rotation that is also preserved. So this denotes a conformal transformation. Now, next we define some general transformations with examples. So first kind of general transformation is translation. Translation is a transformation of the form W is equal to Z plus beta. By this transformation, the figures in W plane are the same as the figures in the Z plane, but with a different origin. Let us see an example based on translation. Let us take a rectangular region bounded by the four lines x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2, and y is equal to 1. We are to find the region of W plane into which this region bounded by the four lines is mapped under the transformation W is equal to Z plus 1 minus 2 iota. Now the rectangular region bounded by the four lines x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2, and y is equal to 1 denotes this rectangular domain in the Z plane. Now, to find its image under this transformation, let us put the value of W and Z here. W is u plus iota v and Z is x plus iota y. Putting the values here and comparing real and imaginary parts, we get u is equal to x plus 1 and v is equal to y minus 2. Now, by this mapping u is equal to x plus 1, the line x is equal to 0 will become from here u is equal to 1, and corresponding to x is equal to 2, from here we get u is equal to 3. So we can say that the line x is equal to 0 is mapped onto the line u is equal to 1, and x is equal to 2 that is mapped onto the line u is equal to 3. Now, for v is equal to y minus 2, if we put y is equal to 0 here, we get v is equal to minus 2. And for y is equal to 1, this will become v is equal to minus 1. So we can say that the line y is equal to 0 is mapped onto the line v is equal to minus 2. And the line y is equal to 1 is mapped onto the line v is equal to minus 1. So the required image is the rectangle R dash bounded by the 4 lines u is equal to 1, u is equal to 3, v is equal to minus 2 and v is equal to minus 1. So this is the required region of the W plane into which the rectangle R is mapped under the given transformation. Now our next type of transformation is rotation. Rotation is a transformation of the form W is equal to Z into e raised to the power iota theta. By such kind of transformation, the figures in the Z plane are rotated through an angle theta. If theta is positive here, the rotation is anti-clockwise, and if theta is negative, the rotation is clockwise. Let us see an example based on rotation. So consider the transformation W is equal to Z e raised to the power iota pi by 4. We are to find the region in the W plane corresponding to the triangular region bounded by the 3 lines x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and x plus y is equal to 1 in Z plane. Now the given transformation is W is equal to Z into e raised to the power iota pi by 4. Putting the values of W and Z here, W is u plus iota v and Z is x plus iota y. E raised to the power iota pi by 4 means cos pi by 4 plus iota sine pi by 4. Putting the values and comparing real and imaginary parts, we get value of u given by x minus y by root 2 and value of v from here, that will be x plus y upon root 2. Now corresponding to the line x is equal to 0, from here u will become minus y by root 2 and from here for x is equal to 0 we get v is equal to y by root 2. Combining these two, we can say that v is equal to minus u. Now for y is equal to 0, from here we get u is equal to x by root 2 and v is equal to x by root 2. It means u and v are same. Now the third line is x plus y is equal to 1. Putting this value in the equation 1, we get v is equal to 1 upon under root 2. So we get the triangular region of the W plane bounded by the 3 lines v is equal to u, v is equal to minus u and v is equal to 1 upon under root 2. So this is the required triangular region of the W plane. Now the next kind of transformation is magnification. This is the transformation of the form W is equal to AZ. Here A is real. By such transformation, the figures in the W plane becomes A times of the figure in Z plane. Let us see an example of this transformation. Consider the transformation W is equal to 2Z and find the region of the W plane into which the triangular region enclosed by the lines x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and x plus y is equal to 1 in the Z plane is mapped under this mapping. Now we are given the transformation W is equal to 2Z. Putting the values of W and Z here, W is u plus iota v and Z is x plus iota y. So comparing real and imaginary parts, from here we get u is equal to 2x and v is equal to 2y. Now for x is equal to 0, this gives u is equal to 0 and for y is equal to 0, from here we get v is equal to 0. Now x plus y is equal to 1 and u is 2x, v is 2y. So we get u plus v is equal to 2 times x plus y. X plus y is 1. So we get u plus v is equal to 2. So we have obtained corresponding to the three lines, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x plus y is equal to 1 in the z plane. The corresponding lines in the w plane are u is equal to 0, v is equal to 0, u plus v is equal to 2. So this is the required region R dash, which is a triangular region bounded by these three lines. Now, the last type of transformation, that is inversion. Inversion is the transformation of the form w is equal to 1 upon z. By this transformation, the figures in the z plane are mapped upon the reciprocal figures in the w plane. Let us see an example based on inversion. Let us consider the mapping w is equal to 1 upon z, and we find the region in the w plane of the infinite strip R bounded by y greater than 1 by 4 and less than 1 by 2. Now because w is 1 by z, w is u plus iota v, z is x plus iota y. Rationalizing on the right side, we get u is equal to x upon x square plus y square, and v is equal to minus y upon x square plus y square. Now, dividing these two equations, we get u upon v is equal to minus x upon y. By cross multiplication, from here we get the value of x, which is given by minus uy divided by v. Now, v is minus y upon x square plus y square. Putting the value of x here, v will become minus y upon u square y square upon v square plus y square. So, from here we get v square, we get y is equal to minus v upon u square plus v square. Now, corresponding to y less than half, we get minus v upon u square plus v square less than half. By cross multiplication, from here we get u square plus v square is greater than minus 2v. This can further be written as u square plus v plus 1 whole square greater than 1, which represents the region exterior to the circle having the equation u square plus v plus 1 whole square is equal to 1. Now, corresponding to y greater than 1 by 4, we get minus v upon u square plus v square greater than 1 by 4. So from cross multiplication, we get u square plus u plus v whole square less than 4, which denotes the interior part to the circle having the equation u square plus v plus 2 whole square is equal to 4. So finally, corresponding to the strip y greater than 1 by 4 less than 1 by 2, we have u square plus v plus 2 whole square less than 4 and u square plus v plus 1 whole square greater than 1. These portions can be shown in the w plane, as here this is the circle having the equation u square plus v plus 1 whole square is equal to 1, and this denotes the circle having the equation u square plus v plus 2 whole square less is equal to 4. So this shaded portion, that is the required region, which is the region exterior to this circle and interior to this circle. So these were some examples based on the various kind of journal transformations.